Hello everyone, this is Alex and I'm from AMC Parts Warehouse, and behind the camera my beautiful wife. So let's see what's going on here. Rambler, AMC Rambler 66 through 69, patch panels. We destroyed a lot of cars, but here we are, no more. Just want to show you the lines, how it matches, like that, and goes all the way. Some people ask why I didn't make its patch bigger, because I don't have to. It's all flat piece of metal. It can be done easily by any body shop. There is no point to make this part more expensive, and otherwise it will be impossible to produce. There isn't many cars in production, left in existence, so there was no point to make it bigger and more expensive. So we covered all the hard areas, all the lines, and but in reality, this chunk of metal will save a lot of cars. You no longer have to cut them up in pieces, and this will save cars. But a lot of people commented, well, Scrambler had a rolled lid, and you can achieve this by literally banging this metal into it. Some people ask, why don't you give it a wider lip? So here you are, much wider. You can easily trim as much as you want to, and it's the same thickness as the original metal. It's not thicker, it's not thinner, but it's new. There are few little minor issues. There is some wobbles in the metal at the edges, so it's not a big deal. You weld this part in, and then you have a punishing, or whatever you call it, the hammer, and you just bang those in, and you're gonna have to skim anyways your patch panel, so it will take away all unevenness. But this is the best anyone ever came up with. Subscribe, go to website, share my post, because it's very important. It's very important to bring this stuff like this that no one have done before to to reality, to have to existence. So please support and subscribe. A lot of people watching it but not subscribing. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll do a lot of great things from now on going forward. Thank you, guys.